Hello everyone, welcome to the final video in my Kraft-Mas card series that went out this week. Today is Friday, so if you haven't checked out the videos for the rest of the week, I strongly urge you to do so. And there will be hidden giveaways on 2 of the videos, so make sure you comment on each of the videos. Let me know which cards you prefer, what you would do differently. Just converse with me in the comments, and then there will be a surprise giveaway in 2 videos that are chosen, and then I will do a random drawing based on the comments from that video. So as I do my cleaning while I'm talking to you, we are going to do the final card today, and again it is Kraft coloured cardstock based. I hope these videos have been beneficial to you. It's going to be a 5x7 card, the same as all of my cards this week. I'm going to be using a white 5x7 card base. I've got a 4 3/4 by 6 3/4 glitter cardstock insert, and then I have my Kraft, which is even smaller than that. But I've got this scrap of white because what I'm going to do is I'm going to be some die cutting. I'm going to be die cutting on my Kraft coloured cardstock, and I'm going to be using this stamp set here. Now this is from Stampendous, and I'm going to be die cutting the red truck that comes with this particular stamp set. So I'm just going to pop those out and I'm going to be using the red truck. So let me get my cuttle bug out and we'll do some cutting. So I want my truck to be in the middle. I'm just going to use some washi tape to secure it. Pop this down, so using an A, B and C plate sandwich, and then I'm going to put that through my cuttle bug. Okay, so let's take that off. Okay, so that's that done. Now with this scrap piece of white cardstock, I just dug into my scrap cardstock stash, and using a pencil, if I can find one, I'm just going to lightly draw around parts of this truck, just so I know when I'm stamping where I need to go. Okay, so that's that. Now I'm going to get hold of the stamp, and I'm going to use my Fiskars press, and I'm going to use my VersaFine because I want to do some. Is this okay when I do watercolouring? Yes. I just wanted to double check. I thought it was, but I just wanted to double check because I think I might be doing some watercolouring with my. I'm not sure yet. So I'm going to. Oops! And I've put this on the wrong way round, crafters. What a doofus! Blooper! I've just stuck my finger in ink. Double blooper. I'm going to blame the heat, crafters. Okay. And then I'm going to put this, move that out of the way. And using my lines that I've put, I'm going to place this down as best I can and stamp. There we go, that's not bad at all. I don't think it's 100% perfect, but hey, it doesn't matter. That's my. What are these? These are called Spectrum Noir Sparkle Pens. I'm going to be using some of those. But I need to get myself a water brush. Now, this isn't water colour paper or cardstock, so I'm not going to go too mad. But I am going to put some water in places just so it will help me when it comes to this. Now I'm no artist crafter, so this may not be the best that you have ever seen, but I do enjoy dabbling. So I always think you should, you know, do as much as you can of what you enjoy. And as you can see, I decided to do blue for some reason. I thought I was going to do red, but obviously my mind must have changed my mind. Oh, never mind. No biggie. Okay, I think I'm going to use some silver. I want these hubcaps to be silver. Now this is just a silver gel pen that I'm going to be using. The pen I'm using now is actually a pen that I get from Poundland. They come in a pack, and they are gel sparkle pens. I think you get about, I think it's about 6 or 8 colours. Now I'm going to use the brown on the tyres. Okay, I'm going to let that sit for a while because I need to let the it all dry before I rub out the pencil marks. Okay, the next thing to concentrate on is this brown cardstock, and I'm going to be using both the stamp sets, the tree and the presents. Again, I'm going to use my VersaFine. I'm going to stamp these on and off the image, not the image, on and off the page. And like I said, I'm going to be using both of them. Okay, I'm using some of the colours from these sparkle gel pens from Poundland. I'm going to now use them on those images that I just stamped. So I will speed through this bit because obviously it may get a bit boring for you.
Silent night, holy night, all is calm, all is bright, round yon virgin mother and child.
Okay, crafters, that's that done. Just that you know that I didn't let my VersaFine ink dry enough, and moving my hand around the page, I have smudged it slightly. Because obviously I was leaning on the card when I was colouring different areas of the card, so I have transferred the ink in places. So if you recreate this card, please make sure that your image is dry. Okay, so I need to line up this. I also need to rub off the pencil marks, so I'm just going to rub those off. Okay, and hopefully this should fit in there quite nicely. At least that's the plan. It's a snug die, that's lovely. Anyway, I am going to put some ink, not ink, oh my gosh, it's the heat crafters, it's getting to me. I am going to put some what am I doing? Crafters, Gareth is going badonkers. Right, let him glue down the gold cardstock. The glitter. Crafters, I think I need to call the people in the white coats. Okay. You can tell this is cheap glitter cardstock because the glitter comes off everywhere. Okay. So I need to glue that down, but I want to raise this cardstock. So I need to put this in its place. Okay. I think what I'm going to do actually, because this is glitter, it's not going to glue down very well. I don't think anyway. I definitely want to raise this up. I want this to be raised, so I need to have this in place. Okay. This isn't going to glue down. Okay, crafters, I'm not going to be able to raise this. What I'm going to have to do is I am going to have to glue this straight on top of this. In my prototype I didn't use the glue, not the glue, Gareth, I didn't use the glitter paper. I just stamped onto the card base the image that was in the die cut, and then I had the cardstock, this craft colour cardstock raised, but I'm not going to be able to do that here. So we'll go on to plan B. Okay, let's put some double-sided foam tape on the back. Not the effect I was going for, crafters, because let me show you with the other one that I did. I have this so it actually gives it more depth. Basically this is much more one-dimensional, but you get the general idea. So let's stamp on a little sentiment. Now this one says, sending loads of Christmas wishes. We'll do that on the inside. So, two things to note. Let your ink dry before you start colouring it, because you will smudge it with your hand as you move across the colour. And don't use glitter cardstock. Best thing to do, what I would recommend, is just use one insert in your card base. You decorate your insert with the images, you die cut it, and then you draw around your die cut, stamp your image as I did on that piece of scrap, and then you raise this piece up so it gives it more dimension, where this one's very flat. So not really what I wanted, but I hope you get the idea. Thank you very much for joining me today, crafters, and this week. As I said, please don't forget to comment on each video. Let me know which is your favourite, and I will see you again very soon. Take care now, crafters. Bye bye.